Hello and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, we're going to be talking about a weird niche on YouTube that you could actually get into and start making money from a brand new YouTube channel. Now, we're going to jump right into the content on this video. So if you're on YouTube, you can actually type in guided meditation. I have guided meditation for positive energy, but if we actually delete that and we just type in guided meditation, you can see that there's guided meditation is going to be the #1 keyword, but that's really broad. And what I recommend doing is actually going after a niche right here, which is the sleep niche, guided meditation for sleep, anxiety, positive energy, shifting, spirit guide, manifestation. And so after all these, deep relaxation, morning, or for beginners. Now, the ones that I really like is maybe for anxiety. You're kind of like helping people to have less anxiety. But that one might be a little bit tricky because you might not want to be giving people advice when it comes to their mental health. And so maybe skip over that one and not really go into that unless you're qualified to give that advice out. But you can certainly go in here and help people to have more positive energy or have more people manifestation. So trying to manifest wealth into their life or manifest health into their life. Those are really popular ones. So that's why I kind of went with guided meditation for positive energy. We want to start off the morning with positive energy so it can set us up for a good day. Now you can look at this stuff. I mean, this video right here, this first video ranking was published a year ago and it has 1.7 million views. And right here, great meditation right here. 8 million views was published 3 years ago, and so on. And a lot of the times what I'll do is something stands out big time to me right here. This one right here, positive suggestion. They only have 33,000 subscribers. Now, if you want to know how I know how many subscribers they have just from looking at this page, it's actually from a tool called vidIQ, and it is for free. They have a free version. I pay for a premium version per month because it gives me more data and helps out. And this will help you along your YouTube journey if you use that tool. Now I've used TubeBuddy and vidIQ. Both of them are great tools. I've kind of leaned more towards using vidIQ lately for the deep data that it gives you. But as far as for tools that help with productivity, I would say maybe TubeBuddy has the edge on that. So I do use a combination of both. You can see over here, I have both installed, but I really do like the data perspective from vidIQ's perspective. Okay, so back onto the video. Now right here, when you can see under 50,000 subscribers and they're ranking number 3 for guided meditation for positive energy, that means that there is a way in to this niche. So if we actually just click on here and go check out the video, see what it looks like real quick. They have a warning here. It's probably recommended to have a recommend. Okay, so really it's just a sunset and someone talking and guiding them through meditation. And then also a little bit of calming music in the background. Very simple stuff to put together. This is a 20-minute video. You could start off with smaller, shorter videos. And then I like to go and check the description, see what they're doing. They do have a law of attraction playlist. They have positive affirmations. So they have different YouTube videos and Audible right here. This is where they're selling an Audible membership. So that's a good way to monetize this channel as well. That's not just from the YouTube ad revenue. And then they credit different pieces of work over here, royalty-free music credit right here, and stock footage, all kinds of good stuff right there. So what you could do is take this and do a little bit of further analysis. So I'll take this positive suggestion. I'll go over to Social Blade and we will see what comes up over here. Positive suggestion, they only have 21 uploads, 33,000 subscribers, 4 million video views. Now this, you can't pay for 4 million video views. This is because there is just such a need in the market for this specific type of meditation. And that's why they're doing so good. They have a B- and it's showing 346, but I would imagine this is probably 3 or 4 times larger than that. So just from YouTube ad revenue alone, they're probably making $1,000 a month. And then also they are continuing to grow their channel, and you can make money from the affiliate program as well. So they're getting good subscribers there. They're getting about 3,000 to maybe about 6,000 video views per day. And it looks like they probably had a video that blew up But that's just one of them. Now, if we came back over here, we'll check out one more real quick. If you actually take this great meditation, they have 492,000 subscribers. So it's still not the biggest one. It doesn't have 1 million subscribers. We're going to go back over to Social Blade and throw that great meditation in real quick. Push enter, and then we're going to see this. It has a B grade, 371 uploads. They've been doing this for many years, 63 million views, and they're making around $11,000 per month on their channel. So the other channel has the right point, because I wish I would have looked at, they've been doing this since 2016, so they just have not uploaded the amount of videos that it takes. They've only done 21 uploads. And, they've had the time, but they haven't really been too serious about this, because they should have hundreds of uploads and they would have the same numbers as that other channel. So how would you do this? How would you pull this off and make this happen for yourself? Well, we can come over here. Fiverr's a great place to come over here and hire somebody, a meditation script. We can come over here and we can actually hire someone over here. Some of the scripts are ready to go. I will provide guided meditation scripts for commercial use. They have 4.9 stars over here. I will provide powerful meditation scripts for commercial use. 244 reviews just on this 1 gig, 5 stars. So that's a good one. We'll go check out this one real quick. You can see that they write a script from scratch, and you can see right here. You can see right here they're actually not showing it, but they write a script for you. So one pre-written meditation script. They'll provide one beautiful meditation script, and we don't know how long it is. So you would just message them. But if you wanted 5, it's $20. And if you want 10, that's $40. But this is just the script. You would take this script, right? So we'll just start off at the basic level with 1. So they will give you a script for $5. And I'm going to imagine it's at least 3 to 5 minutes long. So we're going to grab that, and then we can come over here, and then we're going to next type in guided meditation. And this is where you're going to get almost 300 results, and all these different people, they will actually do will talk into the mic and record some really good stuff for you. So we come over here. Here's one right here, 155 reviews, 5 stars, and they start off with only $15. So we can come over here and you can actually sample.
Welcome to this meditation to awaken your intuition.
You can go like that, and then I like to go and see some of the results. So some people are doing 10-minute videos here.
Hello, and welcome to this meditation
and others are doing 3-minute, 5-minute videos, right? And so there you go. And they are making sales. And why would people be doing this? They're uploading them to their YouTube channels, and they're building YouTube channels. That's why this person is a top rated seller. They're getting plenty of orders. And then what you can do is you would have the script in hand. Then let's just say you have so you got to remember, they're not talking fast. The average number of words spoken just by an average person per minute is about 150 words per minute. And so, even if you had a 300-word script, that would only be 2 minutes of work, but you have to look at the lines here. They're actually probably going at half the speed that people normally speak at. So if that's the case, then you can actually get away with 300 words, and that would give you a 3 to probably 5 minute meditation video, and you would only pay $35. You have the script was $5. So you're at $40 of video. And then all you have to do is go over, you could use WeVideo, you could use OpenShot, you can use Pexels. I'm not going to show you how to do that in this video, because my last 2 videos, I show you how to make videos from scratch with getting free, royalty-free stock video footage, royalty-free music, and all that. And I'm thinking that this lady here, I think that she actually adds the royalty music in there, if I'm not mistaken. If not, you can go to YouTube, audio library, and other sources. I'll leave a link to a video that I show where to get all these sources from, and all the royalty-free music that you can use. So what you would do is you would just spend the 10 minutes that it takes to make your video good, put some stock footage or images in there, add the the guided meditation voiceover that you get back from hiring somebody on Fiverr, and then add the royalty-free music, and you're in business. And then right there, from that point on, it's about doing research and about rinsing and repeating and getting yourself in the suggested video section where your video has a chance to blow up. So that's it for this video. I think this is a really, really great idea. Anytime you can have a good, successful YouTube channel and not have to do the work, and there's readily available a lot of people on these platforms like Fiverr that are willing to help you with your YouTube channel and do most of the work for you. You're outsourcing all the work to other people for a pretty good price, and you can build an asset that will last for a very long time. You can see all those channels. They've been around since 2014, 2016, and they're making passive income monthly. So that's it for this video. Hit that like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Turn on bell notifications so you don't miss out on my next video. Until next time, take care.